For Pinal County Housing Authority, this is the only office that operates for the county. I feel like every person deserves a decent place to call home. And so just seeing people happy about moving into some place that's nice and some place that they could call home, because everybody has their own definition of home, but everybody deserves one. We have funding from the federal government to provide housing assistance to families, and that can be in the form of public housing. We have 139 public housing units owned, managed, and maintained by the Housing Authority. We also have 584 vouchers, the Housing Choice Voucher Program, which is formerly known as Section 8. And that is a voucher-based program where they can actually go out and look for market rental units and use the voucher to assist them with renting in the regular market. A family will pay no more than 30% of their adjusted income, so there is a portion of rent to pay. So out of this whole building, so it's the Housing Choice Voucher Program, public housing. We manage the Santa Cruz Village and Eon, a property for seniors and elderly, FSS program, which is Family Self-Sufficiency for our Section 8 participants, and we have the Resident Opportunity Self-Sufficiency program designed to help our public housing residents to achieve self-sufficiency.
My program basically does 7 areas of concentration: education, health and wellness, financial literacy, employment, substance abuse, re-entry, and elderly and disabled. One of my key things is education, and that goes hand in hand with job placement. Education is usually that they need a GED. I tutor for the GED if they need help. The reward is just unbelievable. When someone graduates with their GED, how proud they are and how excited they are. And especially with someone who usually comes around with a background that they've only had elementary education, and now they've achieved a high school diploma, it's very gratifying.
I enjoy what I do, so I think the self-reward outweighs the amount of work.
Yes, it's very exciting to see somebody have personal goals and realize that they're achievable.
My compassion for people and empathy, I love the work. So I couldn't see me doing any other kind of job. This to me was what I felt like I should be doing, helping people. It's just something that you either love it or you don't.